guys. Hopefully you guys had a had a lovely spring break and everything. So, for this week, we are actually gonna have your guys' second test, and it will be on Illuminate. Okay? So, um, I made this study guide for you guys so that it could help you organize on how you guys can study for this. Using Khan Academy, since you guys have been using Khan Academy, I thought it would be best if I prepare you by you guys practicing and studying by using Khan Academy. So when you guys take a look at this, there's 27 questions in total. And yes, I do want you to write all of this down and submit it to me on Google Classroom so that first of all you get credit for it, but secondly, it lets me know that you guys are you're aware that you guys do have a test on Thursday. Okay, so you guys are gonna have a test this Thursday, 27 questions, and it's a total. You're gonna have a total of 90 minutes to complete it. All right. So first order of business is the top part. Okay, so let's look at these topics. So I wrote down the topics, you guys. The same topics that are in your guys' Khan Academy assignments that I've assigned you. So there's gonna be questions on this, you guys, and this number right here reflects that there's one question on your test regarding that topic. So in Khan Academy, you guys are going to have quadratic equation with complex solutions, one question. You guys are going to have multiplying complex numbers. 4 of them are going to be on your test. You're going to be adding, subtracting complex numbers. There's going to be 3 of them. And there's going to be one problem on powers of imaginary unit. So again, all of these topics right here are the exact same titles that are in your Khan Academy. So if you guys want practice on it, those are the ones you guys should be practicing so that you guys will be ready. Now, quick note on this, you guys do have a quadratics by factoring in your Khan Academy. But in Khan Academy, it has all of your quadratics by factoring equal to 0. So there's going to be 2 that aren't. So let me show you guys an example. So remember, this is quadratics by factoring. So an example of this, you guys, would be something like this. Like x squared plus 5x minus 16 is equal to 2x minus 12. So this is going to tell you guys to solve by factoring. Well, remember, in order for you guys to solve your equations, all of your equations have to be set equal to 0. It's not going to tell you guys that, but that is something that you guys need to know. So what you guys have to do is you subtract and move everything to the left-hand side. Once you guys do that, you're going to have x squared 5x minus, these cancel, right? 5x minus 2x, which is 3x, and negative 16 plus 12 is negative 4. And then that is in factored form, and then from there you just factor, which would just be x plus 4 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. And then your answers would be x equals negative 4 and 1. So again, there's going to be 2 of those questions, you guys, where you have to set it equal to 0 and then you guys solve by using factored. Okay. There's going to be 3 quadratic formula problems, and there's going to be 1 question that's standard form. So again, all of these, there is Khan Academy practice and a Khan Academy video to help you guys out. I'm also going to be posting my YouTube videos of these topics, you guys, just in case you don't like the Khan Academy ones. Okay, so that's a total of 19, I believe, problems right there. Now, right here, you guys, you're going to have some different types of problems. So I put that green line because there is no Khan Academy practice or videos for this. Okay, so you're going to have 3 definitions. For reasoning with quadratics, they're going to give you guys a situation, and you guys have to use your critical thinking skills with your knowledge of quadratics in order to solve the problem. So it might be typing and reasoning, or it might be select all that apply. So there's those 2. This one, you guys, locating zeros on a graph, there is no Khan Academy, but it's simply if you see this graph and you see this, then it's going to ask you where are the roots, zeros, or x-intercepts, and it would be right there, and you guys just have to label that it's in those spots. For complete the square, now that was something we learned 3rd quarter, you guys, so it looks something like this if you forgot. So they're going to ask you this, and then they're going to tell you guys, we'll complete the square. Remember, to complete the square, you guys have to half this middle term. So if you guys half it, it would be 10, but then in your mind, you have to square it as well. So half it and then square it. So then to complete this square, it'd be, well, half of 20 is 10. 10 to the second would be 100. So to complete the square would be 100. Another example of this, you guys, would be something like this. If you had this, it's going to ask you to complete that square. Well, what's half of -6? -3, and then raise that to the second, which is 9. So 9 would be the complete the square. And then lastly, there's going to be a solving a radical equation. Okay? So, again, to recap, write this down and submit this so that you guys get credit for it. You have to practice. I would strongly advise you guys to practice those on Khan Academy. Okay? Just practice, and you already know how many questions, right? And these are not Khan Academy, so you guys are just going to have to just deal with those. So, to conclude this video, I am going to be having Zoom tutoring sessions, and I will be posting those on Google Classroom. If you have a question on your study guide, or if you want to practice, I strongly suggest you guys come to Zoom and ask me for assistance, because I will be available for you guys today and on Wednesday. Okay? So, good luck to you all. Submit this to me on Google Classroom and study up, okay? It will be on Thursday, and you have 90 minutes to finish your test on Elluminate, okay? See you all soon.